What's up, YouTube? Guess what? I found my SS grill. Yeah, boy. See what I was talking about? Little mesh here. It looks more like bigger diamonds, and the other ones were just like little squares. The funny part is I purchased this SS grill the day after I purchased the newer one, the black one. So if I would have just waited a day, I would have just had this one. But I mean, now I have an extra one. I ain't tripping. But yeah, before I install it, what I want to do is paint this mesh area silver. So these are going to be silver, because when I wrap the truck, it's going to be the new color mixed with silver. So some silver accents. So everything here is going to be that new color, and then these are going to be silver. So let's start by taking this grill apart. It does come apart. This whole black piece kind of just snaps off. And then you're just left with the two top pieces, which is one piece. And then I put this on just to see how it would look. This is a aftermarket grill, by the way. It's not OEM, but I mean, it looks the same to me. I was pretty much just looking for this pattern. But yeah, let's get started. Clipped in here, 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 and here. So it pretty much pops those off, and the whole black piece will come off. And this only works for aftermarket grills that I know of, because I know the OEM ones, they're actually where the clips go, they're like plastic welded. So there's no way to remove it without breaking it. So that's the only reason I can do it with this one, because it's aftermarket. There it is. Alright, so now that we got the piece off, what I'm gonna do is use this Scotch-Brite pad just to scuff all the surface of plastic, because we're gonna primer it, paint it the color, and then clear coat it, but we want the primer to stick to the plastic, so we're gonna scuff it, get all that shininess off, just so it gets like a little bit of texture for the primer to grab onto. So let's start scuffing it. gonna let that bake for another 15 minutes, and then we'll take it inside and start peeling off the tape. Gotta put the SS grill on. We'll talk about these lights in a different video, but you'll see. You'll see.
What light? Hey, why didn't you put the video when I went to fucking, whatchamacallit? Or why don't you add it into the other one when you're like a day with OBS or when I went to Central Tires.
That made no sense. You left Chickadines, and then you wanted Central Tires, show some rims, and then you left, and you didn't say nothing.
Oh, I know, huh?
So I was like, there's no point in me showing it, because people were like, what the fuck? I thought he was going to Mauricio, how did he end up on a fucking tire shop? And then you said nothing about it, so maybe you just left.
I know.
So I was like,
I forgot to say shit about it. It looks good. You gotta pull the hood up for it, so no? Did you already try it or what?